You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce this word, Italian word, and it's also a name. We'll be looking at how to say more words and names from Italian too, so stay tuned, loads to learn on this channel. Gioia, 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 gioia. It means joy in Italian. Did you get this? Now you know, right? Like this video if you found it useful. More videos for you to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.